Looking for the best computer monitors for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 computer monitors that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a computer monitors that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended computer monitors. Number 1 on the list is Samsung Odyssey G7 32-inch, earning a 5-star rating from Tom's Hardware. The Samsung Odyssey G7 32-inch is the best computer monitor. For gamers, it boasts the strongest curve currently available, 1000R, for incredible immersion, along with speedy gaming numbers. The 240Hz monitor has a 1 millisecond GTG response time and put up a 5 milliseconds response time score in our testing, beating some 165Hz screens by 2 milliseconds. In addition, benchmarking showed input lag at 20 milliseconds, a full 6 to 10 milliseconds faster than some 165Hz screens we've tested. Including the Dell S3222DGM also on this page, this is also a strong work monitor. Its 32-inch panel offers plenty of height for productivity, like working on long spreadsheets in a way that's easier than on a 32-inch ultra-wide. And at a 2 to 3 foot viewing distance, we don't have any distortion issues with that dramatic curve. Just be sure to bring your own audio because, despite the price, there are no speakers here. No matter what you use the G7 for, you can expect strong image quality backed by 201:1 contrast out of the box, as well as accurate DCI-P3 color. Second on the list is Dell S3222DGM. The Dell S3222DGM is the best gaming monitor for many gamers. This follow-up to the highly rated S3222DGM, opens in new tab, boasts a 32-inch VA, opens in new tab, panel, QHD resolution and 165Hz refresh rate with adaptive sync, opens in new tab, support. Other perks in its favor are 85% coverage of DCI-P3 and a display curve within 1800 mm radius. However, Dell really knocks it out of the park with the S3222DGM's contrast ratio, opens in new tab. VA panels are known for their excellent contrast, but the S3222DGM is rated at an impressive 3000:1, easily blowing away IPS competitors. But our sample managed to better that figure by a third, coming in at 4000:1 in instrumented tests. This 32-inch monitor offers plenty of vertical screen real estate without the need for scrolling in 1440p resolution, opens in new tab, the current sweet spot between image quality and gaming performance. And while the S3222DGM is targeted primarily at gamers, we found that it is also great for general productivity and anything in between. While the S3222DGM lacks HDR, opens in new tab, support, its excellent contrast doesn't detract from that missing bullet point, and its overall performance is hard to beat at this price point. Throw in Dell's usual solid build quality, and this represents a great monitor for enthusiasts looking to build out a mid to high budget gaming PC. Number 3 on the list is LG 27GN950B, with a 1 millisecond GTG response time and 144Hz refresh rate. The LG 27GN950B is the best computer monitor for 4K gaming. If you've got the graphics card, ideally one of the best graphics cards, you need to handle 144 frames per second (FPS) at 4K. This monitor will ensure that power doesn't go to waste. In our testing, the monitor showed a 7 milliseconds response time, keeping up with pricier 4K 144Hz screens, like the Asus ROG Swift PG27UQ, and even beating some when it came to input lag. Plus, FreeSync Premium Pro and G-Sync compatibility will fight screen tears for those times when frame rates drop below 48 frames per second. Although VA panels are known for their high contrast, this IPS monitor can hold its own, hitting 1034.7 before calibration and 8 for 75.3:1 with HDR, based on our benchmarks. Those who want the most accurate color may find the sRGB mode too saturated, but the 27GN950B proved accurate when it came to the more colorful DCI P3 space, for more top-of-the-line 4K gaming screens. Visit our best 4K gaming monitors page. Number 4 on the list is MSI Oculux NXG253R. Esports players and hopefuls rely on the fastest peripherals available to attenuate the delay between deciding on in-game action and when that action happens on screen. 360 Hz is the fastest refresh rate PC monitors have today, and the MSI Oculux NXG253R is the fastest of them all. Yes, the NXG253R is the fastest display we've ever tested, making it the best computer monitor for esports you can buy. The NXG253R outperformed other 360 Hz monitors by 1 to 3 milliseconds, depending on the rival screen, in our absolute input lag test. It also matched all its 360 Hz rivals in our response time test with a 3 millisecond score. The monitor also fights screen tears down to a 1 Hz refresh rate with G-Sync and includes the NVIDIA Reflex Latency Analyzer to help fine-tune your esports performance further. You don't get DCI P3 color, but sRGB color reproduction is accurate with an error of just 2.27 dB before calibration. Contrast is also impressive for an IPS panel, 190.6:1, and, thanks to a variable backlight, massive with HDR content, 972.5:1. Number 5 on the list is Samsung UR59C. If you want an affordable screen with many pixels, the Samsung UR59C is the best budget 4K monitor for you. The VA panel delivers contrast, 2590.5:1 after calibration, making everything from photos to videos to games look better. This is clearly not a high-end gaming monitor with a 60 Hz refresh rate, 4 milliseconds, GTG, response, and no FreeSync or G-Sync. But casual gamers can make do, thanks to the combination of high pixel density and high contrast. Keeping games looking realistic, curves are generally more effective on ultra-wide screens, but the UR59C's 1500R curvature was effective and beneficial for this 32-incher, such as when multitasking with multiple windows. And if you don't mind calibrating, you can get rid of the UR59C pesky color errors, which, unfortunately, were visible out of the box. Our calibration settings reduced the error from 4.3 dB to 0.9 dB. Are you interested in more high-res, low-price displays? Check out our best budget 4K monitors roundup. Just now is a list of 5 best computer monitors that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.